how are you today? This is the first session of our class today. Today we are going to learn verb to be. What is verb to be? Verb to be refer to am, is, and are. So at the end of the session today, you all will be able to identify what are the present form of verb to be, and you all will be able to use verb to be, am, is, are in your daily life speaking. Well, first of all, I would like to talk about the verb pronoun. The word subject pronouns refer to I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. We can say that there are 7 subject pronouns in English, and each subject pronoun may use different verb to be. For example, I is with am, you is used with are, he is used with is, she is used with is, it is, we are, you are, and they are. The subject pronouns used with the full form of verb to be, and they are also used in the short form. For example, I am. The short form is am. You are, and the short form is your. He is, and the short form is his. She is, and the short form is she is. She is, and the short form is she's. It is, and the short form is its. They are, we are, you are. The same, they have all their short form. For example, your come from the word you are, where come from the word we are, and there come from the word they are. Now we are going to look at more examples of the 7 pronouns, subject pronouns used with different verb to be. First of all, I would like you all to have a look at pronouns I. I am a student, and then I am with my family. Am Cambodian. You can see that I am. Just remember one thing, I must always use with am. And the short form of I am is am. The first sentence, I am a student. The second one, I am with my family. And the last one is used in short form, am Cambodian. How about pronounce you? You are. I see. You can be in a plural form or singular form, but just remember one thing, you is always used with are. You are my friend. And the short form is your. You're a good boy. We have a look at he is the subject. He is usually followed by is. For example, he is Chandra. He is my dad. So he is followed by the verb to be is. Never be used with am or are for the pronouns he. And how about she? She is also used with is. She is Hilvi. She is my mom. I see. The short form of she is she is. How about the pronouns it? For example, I say that is a dog. It's my pet. It's come from the word it is, and then it is my pet. So you can say it's my pet. Good. Just remember one thing. He, she, it is the singular form of the third person. Or you can just remember that one object, one person, or a place is usually used with is. But for the plural form, for example, 2 birds, 3 birds, 2 dogs, 2 people, or 3 places, are usually used with verb to be are. So is the singular form and are is the plural form. We. When you use the pronoun we, it's usually followed by verb to be are. We are friends. You see that we is the plural form. We, so used with are. And the short form of we are is where. We are at school. We are at school now. Just only about now. So is am are used in present form. Cannot be used in the past tense. Okay, well everyone, now we are going to look at more examples. For example, number 1, you and your friends. So the plural form now, you and your friends, students. And number 2, you're cold. Sorry, you're cool. And your here come from the word you are. We don't care about the object, whether the object is plural or singular. But what we care is about the subject. If the subject is the singular form, we use with is, and if the subject is the plural form, we use with are. We don't mention about am or you for the pronouns am. Pronoun are is not am. For the subject I is always used with am, although it is a singular form. You is always used with are, although you is used in a singular form or plural form. Again, singular subject is used with is, the plural subject is used with are, except the pronouns I and you. Well, everybody, when we talk about the pronouns they, the pronoun they is usually followed by to be are. They are Lisa and Nana. They are my sisters. Yeah. Well, everyone, now what you have to remember, and then we are going to pronounce together. Now pronouns after this video, and make sure that you can pronounce it well. Okay, let's go.
I am, I'm. You are, you're. He is, he's. She is, she's. It is, it's. We are, we're. You are, you're. They are, they're.
Okay, I would like to conclude it again about the use of verb to be and what you have to remember for this session. Subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they are used with verb to be in the present form. For the pronouns I is used with am, you is used with are, he is used with is, she is used with is, it is used with is, we is used with are, you is used with are, and they is also used with are. So again, I am, you, we, they, are, he, she, it, is. If you use other subjects, for example, a cat, just to remember one thing, a cat is a singular subject, so we use with is. A cat is. How about two cats? Two cats are. A farmer is. Two farmers are. A teacher is. Some teachers are. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for your attention for this session. Okay, now everyone, we are going to meet each other in the second session of verb to be again, but it is in the negative form. And it is also the third session is going to be about the question form. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Goodbye for today. Bye bye.